Hello students, welcome in our science class. Today we solve some examples in the chapter gravitation. Now the first example. An object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meter on a planet. What is the value of g on the planet? Small g, that is gravitational acceleration. So when we solve this example, first we write down the given data. So first write initial velocity. Initial velocity, it is denoted by symbol u. So u is equal to, that is initial velocity of object is equal to 0 meter per second. S, that is displacement, that is the height of the object from ground. S, the symbol S is used for displacement. So S is equal to 5 meter. T, that is time taken by object, T is equal to 5 seconds. And we here, what is the value of G, that is gravitational acceleration. We know that S is equal to 1 upon 2 gt square. We already learned this equation in 9th standard. S, that is displacement of object, is equal to 1 upon 2 into gt square. So put all the values which are given in example. So S, that is displacement, is equal to 5 meter. It is equal to 1 upon 2 as it is G into T, that is time, that is 5 bracket square, by putting the values in the given equation. So 5 is equal to, now the square of this 5, that is 25 upon 2 into this G as it is. So this G is equal to, this 5 into this 2, that is 5 into 2 upon 25, upon this 25. And so it is equal to 10 upon 25 is equal to 2 upon 5 meter per second square. Meter per second square, it is the SI unit for acceleration. And so G is equal to 0.4 meter per second square on the planet. It is the value of G on the given planet. Now the second example. First, what is example? The mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. The distance between the earth and the sun is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. If the gravitational force between the two is 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 Newton, it is the force between the earth and the sun. That is 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 Newton. What is the mass of the sun? So first write down the given data. Data is given m1, that is the mass of the earth. m1, that is the mass of earth. It is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. It is the mass of the earth. m2, so what is m2? The mass of the sun. So m2, it is the question, what is the mass of the sun? Now r, that is the distance between the sun and earth. r is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter, distance between the earth and the sun. The value of gravitational constant capital G is equal to, we know that value G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And F, that is gravitational force between these two, F is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 Newton. From Newton's universal law of gravitation, we learn this law. F is equal to, that is gravitational force, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So this m2 is equal to, that is the mass of the sun, m2 is equal to this F into r square upon this G m1 upon G m1. So put all the values which are given. So put all that values So m2 is equal to, now the value of F, that is gravitational force, 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 into the value of R, that is the distance between both. So put the value of R, 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket square. There is R square in the formula, so bracket square, upon the value of G, 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mass of earth, 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. So it is equal to this 3.5 as it is into 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket square, that is 1.5 into 1.5, this 3.5 as it is, this 1.5 into again 1.5 into this 10 raised to 22 into this 10 raised to 11 bracket square. So 10 raised to 22. 11 into 2, that is 22, upon 6.67 into 6 into 10 raised to this minus 11 into 10 raised to 24. So equal to 3.5, this 3.5 as it is, into 1.5 into 1.5, that is 2.25, into, now here 10 raised to 22 into 10 raised to 22, base, that is 10 is same, so there is sum of indices. So 22 plus 22, that is 44. So 3.5 into 2.25 into 10 raised to 44 upon 6.67 into 6 into, now there is 10 raised to minus 11 into 10 raised to 22. So 24. So 24 minus 11, that is 10 raised to 13. 10 raised to 13. So this product 3.5 into 2.25 is equal to 7.875 into this 10 raised to 44 as it is. Now this 10 raised to 13, if we shift this 10 raised to 13 from denominator to numerator, then it is become 10 raised to minus 13 upon this product 6.67 into 6, that is 40.02. And so M2 is equal to, now this 10 raised to 44 into 10 raised to minus 13. So here we multiply by 10 to this numerator, and so it is become 78.75. And so this 10 raised to 44 become 10 raised to 43 upon this 40.02 as it is. Now into 10 raised to 43 into 10 raised to minus 13. After subtraction of indices, there is 10 raised to 30, and this division, it is equal to 1.967. And so the mass of sun, it is equal to 1.967 into 10 raised to 30 kilogram. Now next example. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is MA, suppose that mass of A is capital M, A, what must be the mass of B so that the value of G, that is gravitational acceleration on B, is half that of its value on A? So first write down given data. Now the radius of planet A या प्लॅनेटची त्रिज्या ही B या प्लॅनेटच्या त्रिज्येच्या निम्मी आहे. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B, and so RA is equal to RB upon 2. Now GB, now there is one condition given, GB is equal to half GA. That is gravitational acceleration on planet B is half of the gravitational acceleration on planet A. So what is MB? So what is the mass of planet B? Now we learn this equation, that is gravitational acceleration on any planet is equal to Gm, capital M upon R square, where M is mass of that planet and R is radius of that planet, and G, it is the gravitational constant, capital G, it is the symbol for gravitational constant, and small g, it is the symbol for gravitational acceleration. Now Ga, now use the symbols which we use in this example. Ga, that is gravitational acceleration on planet A, is equal to gma upon Ra square, and Gb is equal to gmb upon Rb square by putting the proper symbols in this equation. Now this Gb upon Ga, Gb upon Ga is equal to gmb upon Rb square into Ra square upon gma. Now this G, that is gravitational constant, get cancelled and we get the equation mb upon ma into Ra square upon Rb square, that is Ra upon Rb bracket square. So put the values half, that is the value of, now from this equation Gb upon Ga is equal to half. So we put the value of Gb upon Ga is equal to half from this equation, equal to Mb upon Ma. Now we know Ra upon this Rb is equal to again half. So put the value of Ra upon Rb, it is equal to half. Gb upon J is equal to half. And so it is equal to, now the square of this bracket, 1 upon 4, Mb upon Ma. So mb upon ma, see this mb upon ma is equal to this 1 upon 4 become into 4 upon 1 towards LHS. And so mb upon ma is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2. And so this mb is equal to this ma become multiplied to this 2. And so mb is equal to 2ma. That is the mass of planet B, it is twice the mass of planet A. At that time only, the gravitational acceleration on planet B is equal to half the gravitational acceleration on planet B. आपल्याला कंडिशन दिली होती की GB is equal to half GA असं असेल तेव्हा B चं मास किती असलं पाहिजे. At that time, the mass of planet B is equal to twice the mass of planet A.